for math today, we're really going to be focusing on the seasons, right? So we have fall, winter, spring, and summer. So today, we're going to be focusing on winter. So I want you to take a blue marker, okay? And it can be your light blue one or your dark blue one. And I want you to trace the word winter right here. It's right at the top. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter, okay? So winter happened, the beginning of winter is December 21st. That was the winter solstice. So now it talked in that video how a lot of trees lose their leaves in the winter, and that's because they need the sunlight to help create the nutrients for that. So there's less sunlight in the winter, and so because of that, the trees lose their leaves. It's part of their cycle. So what I'm doing here is I'm coloring the trunk of the tree and its branches. They're barren. This particular tree is not an evergreen tree. A Christmas tree is an evergreen tree because it stays green all year long. And there's lots of trees that are evergreen tree, but there are also trees that do lose all their leaves, okay? So this is our seasonal tree, okay? And now it has no leaves on it, okay? So it's got white snow all over it. And if you want to, you can color, since it is snowing right there, okay? So there's not really much for you to color, because usually when it snows, the sky is going to be gray color. So if you want, you can use your gray crayon to color in the sky or to put some clouds in there, or your gray marker. So I'll just go ahead and put some gray up there to show that there's gray clouds in the sky, or you can draw gray clouds if you want to. Okay, we're getting that tree is getting a snowstorm because it's winter. Okay, all right. So then the next thing you want to do is for December, pull this one out. Okay. I want you to do one thing. You don't have to write on this. I just want you to finish counting how many days we were in school in December. And you can do that right here by simply counting the dots. So there you had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And just write your 17 right here, okay? So you're done with this. This is going inside the green Go Back folder from me. And make sure you give that back to me so that I can grade this for you. So we did an A-B pattern to show December with our numbers, our odd and even numbers, okay? So this is gonna go in the green folder. We're all done with that. Then you need to find your blue folder, okay? This is your solid blue folder. This is your new materials folder. You need to take out your new January. It's got a blue dot at the corner. It looks like this. This is your new January calendar, okay? All right, so you're gonna get this. Get your math folder. Okay, now that's colored. And let's start by marking number 71. So you're gonna turn this. 71 is an odd number, okay? So that's an odd number. We're gonna go ahead and mark our days in January now, okay? So January 1st happened last Friday, okay? So you're gonna need two markers today, your red and your blue, so we can get caught up on marking our days, okay? So to show odd numbers are blue, so start with blue on the number 1. Even, red is number 2. That was Saturday. For your odd number 3, that's going to be blue. And then for today, since it is an even number, 4, you're going to trace that with a red marker. Okay, now there's one thing that we didn't do that I needed to tell you to do. This is a new booklet. See at the top it says name? you need to write your name. So please do that now. Okay, and if you can write your last name, go ahead and write your last name. If you don't know how to write your last name, ask somebody in your family to write it for you with your highlighter. Okay, that way you can practice writing it. It gives you good practice for this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and trace my last name here. That'll help me practice learning how to write it. Okay, so we've had 4 days in January. Today is Monday, January 4th, 2021. So 2021, we have a new year now. That's what happened on this day right here, a new year. Yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow is Tuesday. So we're at the 4th day of January. So it says count the number of days in January. We need to do 4 dots in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we need to do 4 tally marks. Just 4, straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, for this page. Then turn the page. We're going to write in what's going on today. Okay, so the season is winter. So you get to circle winter. That's the first one there. Okay, it's not spring, not summer, not fall. Okay. Yesterday was Sunday, so circle Sunday. Today is Monday, circle Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay. The month is January. We get to circle the very first month here. Okay. So look at the January. It starts with a capital J. Remember, it's a name, so you're going to write that. January. J, just go ahead and copy it. Lowercase a, lowercase n, lowercase u, lowercase a, lowercase r, lowercase y. January. Okay, so January, and today was the 4th, is the 4th. So go ahead and write your 4. Give yourself your comma, and then this is going to change here. 2000, so you get to put your 20, but then you have to write a 21. Okay, there you go. 2000, 2021 now. Okay, so that's 2021 because the year changed. Okay, give yourself your exit ticket. Okay, and we're finished with our math lessons today. So make sure you put this back in your math folder so you know where to find it tomorrow. Okay, so this can just go right here, and we'll return to working in our Saxon workbook tomorrow. Okay, all right, that's it. Thank you for joining me for learning about a little bit about winter today, boys and girls.